Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by reaching your router's admin interface. Enter the router IP in a browser and log in with admin credentials. Once done, make sure you're on a wired or trusted Wi-Fi connection to avoid drops during changes. You should back up current settings or photograph pages for rollback. This prevents accidental lockout. Now locate the connected devices or DHCP client list, so you can identify the device you want to remove and confirm its MAC or IP address. You'll now identify the target device in the Connected Devices or DHCP Leases section. Cross-check name, IP, and MAC to avoid removing the wrong one. Once identified, choose the Remove, Kick, or Block option. This severs the current association immediately. For persistent reappearance, add the MAC to a deny list or remove its DHCP reservation so it cannot require an IP. Make sure to apply and save changes. Some routers require a restart to enforce the new rules. Finish by rebooting the router to clear sessions and ensure the block takes effect. Then verify by scanning the network or trying to connect from the removed device. If the device still connects, change the Wi-Fi password and SSID and update the router admin password to prevent reconfiguration. Make sure firmware is current. Outdated firmware can ignore filters. If problems persist, temporarily disable guest networks and, as a last resort, perform a factory reset, then reapply secure settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.